How to recover deleted files from trash in Google Drive. Let's imagine that we deleted a file. To recover it, go to Trash. Find three dots opposite the file you need to recover, click on the three dots and click Restore. As you can see, we've recovered our file. Now let's pretend that we deleted our file and then cleaned the trash. We are notified here that the file will be permanently deleted. We continue and click Delete forever. Now, as you can see, the file is not even in the trash. To restore our file, we go to the directory by clicking Learn More, and then just scroll to the bottom. And then we click on Request File Recovery, and we will be redirected to the page with filling out the form. Here we write our first name and last name, as we are recorded in the account. Here we specify when the file was deleted. Here we select the type of file. In this case, we have a video. We put 2 check marks and click Submit. After that, you should receive a notification that you have requested the file for recovery. And here passed literally 5 minutes, and the file returned to our disk.